In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a review section on Squarespace with email automation. This process will help you gather valuable feedback from your customers, improving your products and overall customer experience. It'll also enable you to use email automation to simplify the process of requesting reviews effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Squarespace homepage. You'll want to be logged in to access all the necessary settings. Once you're on your homepage, look around for the Settings option. It's typically located on the left side of the screen in the main navigation panel. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Inside the Settings menu, you'll need to look for the Selling option. This section is where you'll configure all things related to your product sales, and it's where you'll be able to set up a review collection for your store. Give it a click and move forward. Now you should be in the Selling section. Here, locate and click on Product Reviews. This setting is integral because it allows you to enable customer reviews on your product pages. Reviews can significantly increase your store's credibility and attract potential buyers by showcasing past customer experiences. Once you're in the Product Reviews window, look for the Setup Automation button. This is a crucial part of today's tutorial as it enables you to automate the process of requesting reviews from your customers. By setting up automation, you can ensure that after a customer purchases an item, they receive an email prompt asking them to leave a review. This feature helps you consistently gather reviews with minimal manual effort. After setting up the automation, you'll want to find the Requested Reviews switch button. By toggling this switch, you activate the automated emails to be sent out to your customers after their purchase. It's a handy feature that maximizes the likelihood of receiving feedback. With that done, move on to the Highlight button. It's important to give it a click as this option allows you to select the best reviews to feature prominently on your site. Displaying positive reviews can reassure potential buyers and enhance your store's reputation. Next, you'll see another Highlight button to click. This might seem redundant, but verifying that both instances are selected ensures that your best reviews are highlighted effectively across your site. Finally, take a look at the Product and Store Reviews option. By clicking on this, you enable a comprehensive review system that encompasses individual product reviews and overall store evaluations. This dual approach provides a well-rounded view of your customer satisfaction levels, offering insightful feedback for future improvements. And there you have it. You've successfully added a review section to your Squarespace store and set up email automation to gather reviews effortlessly. By following these steps, you'll keep your shop engaging and trustworthy in the eyes of visitors. Thanks for watching and happy selling.